Alright, it's been a couple weeks, but we're going to get started on another cube. We're going to do the gear cube today. Let's do something different. We did the 2x2, 3x3, 4x4, 5x5, and the 6x6. I have the 7x7 and 8x8, but really they're pretty much the same as the ones we've just done. So I think we'll do the gear cube this week. We'll do the other gear cube I have next week, and then maybe we'll do some shape mods, and we'll get back into this. So let's mix her up. This cube's actually pretty easy. There's not going to be any algorithms for it, really. So let's try to get it good and mixed up. See, what you want to know with this cube is you can't do, so I can't put this piece right here, see, because then it's off in the middle and it won't turn. So every turn essentially is a double turn to make it turn all the way. So it doesn't mix up as much as a normal cube does, but it's still pretty fun. So we're going to start with the white side. So we want to get the other white one with green, and it is right here. So all we got to do is bring it over. So you want to put it on the right side, and that'll automatically line up the other one. So you want to get white on the right side, and then we want the white in the middle, right? So we're just going to keep turning it until we got that done, right? Alright, so now, once we got the white side done, we want to try and complete all these other ones, and then we'll see which pieces are off, right? So just turn it until, yeah, just like that. So we got the green, orange. Basically, you would have just turned the top until all the centers are in the right spots. And don't worry about that, we'll fix that. But so the algorithm, I guess, is kind of an algorithm for this, is fairly easy, right? So you just want to find a piece that has at least one in the right spot, right? Well, that's after that. So let's just look over here. So not in the right spot, not in the right spot. Just find one that has one piece. So this piece here and this piece here both need to switch, right? So what we do is we hold it with the piece that's correct on the top, and we're just gonna do 1, 2, 1, 1, 2, 1. And see, that put both of those pieces in the right spot. And don't worry about the orientation, we just want to put them in the right spot. And that actually put the rest of the pieces in the right spot. So we can just turn it until they all line up. It might take a couple of times turning it, and then it's solved. I'll mix it up and we'll do it again, that way you can kind of see how it works a little bit better. This is a fairly, like I said, it's a fairly easy cube. You could probably solve it by accident, honestly. Alright, so we'll just start with this white corner here. Get the one that matches it. Alright, so we got all the white corners, and let's just turn it until it's white there. Actually, all those are in the right spot. All the centers in the right spot. So really, all these are actually in the right spot. So all I'd have to do is turn it till it works. So we're gonna mix it up a little more, because I want to actually have to do some algorithms for you so you can actually see how to do it. Because I only did the other algorithm once. Like I said, it's kind of an easy cube. It's kind of fun to play with. See, all those are actually in the right spot, but it's alright. Alright, so that's better. So now we got all we want to do is get all the corners in the right spot. We don't care about these pieces, right? So let's just find one piece that's in the right spot, one color. So let's look on the orange side, no oranges. Blue side, no blues. Red side, no reds. And you might run into where none of them are in the right spot. Like looks like we have here where none of them are in the right spot. And that's okay. All you have to do is you'll do the same algorithm. So you just pick a random spot if none of them are in the right spot. And you'll just do 1, 2, 1, 1, 2, 1. And now you should have at least one in the right spot. That one's in the right spot. That one's completely in the right spot. Completely. So that your whole center row is in the right spot. So this one has one piece in the right spot. So this piece needs to go here, and this piece needs to go here. So correct piece, or correct color on top. And you'll do 1, 2, 1, 1, 2, 1. And that actually solved the whole cube. If you get to the point where you have everything in the right spot, but they're not lined up correctly, like here, let's just turn it until everything's in the right spot, but not, yeah. So you might get to where it's like this, so where it's in the right spot, but it's not oriented correctly, and it could be on both axes, so we'll do the other one too. Turn it until it's all yellow. So see how everything's in the right spot? So you've switched everything, so it's all ended up there, and then it's just still looks messed up. So all you'll do is you'll just hold it, and you'll just turn it until it is correct. Okay, it's an easy cube. So, and there's that one, and then you just go to the next one, and you just turn it until it's all in the right spot. So yeah, pretty easy tutorial. I'm not even gonna put any descriptions on the bottom because it's that easy. If you get the cube and follow along, you'll have it memorized before the tutorial's even over. This cube's actually pretty cool. It's got, I don't know if it's focused on it, but it's got these like grippy stickers on it. Kind of a cool cube. So yeah, I'll do the 2x2 version of the gear cube next week, and then we'll try to do some shape mods. See you next week.